Hi, I'm Tammy Hahnemann. Welcome to Fire Mountain Jewelry Making Studio. Crimp tubes are a wonderful way to finish off cording. Large crimp tubes are a wonderful way to finish off large cording. The design we're making today incorporates suede turquoise colored, brass beads, jump rings, brass crimp tubes, and some chain. Chain adds great texture. To get started, I'm cutting a length of cording suitable for my design. I thread on the crimp tube, the jump ring, and then I pass the cording back through the crimp tube. I tighten everything up so that it's closer to the jump ring and just gives a nice, neat finish. And then to compress the center section, I get my chain nose pliers right in the middle and I press down, and that'll secure it to the cording. I'll flip it over and I'll do that same motion on this side so that it's even. I'll test it just to make sure that it's secure, and then I'll move on. String on the beads, put on another crimp tube, a jump ring, and I'll pass the cording back through the crimp tube. Tighten everything up, check the length, compress the center section, repeat on the other side, pressing down firmly so that it is secure, and then just give it a good test. Trim the cording so that you have a nice, neat finish. Clip that end as well, just so it's nice and neat on both ends. I added a length of chain using jump rings, and I added a clasp using a jump ring to one of the other ends. It's a design that's very quick to put together, but looks really wonderful. Crimp tubes really fit on cording of all sizes. Choose the right crimp tube for the size of your cording. There's rubber cording in a lot of different colors. There's suede cording, also available in a lot of different colors, leather and cotton. Crimp tubes are a great way to finish off any of them. There's a lot of different varieties out there, so be sure to check out the different how-tos that are available so you can see how each of them works. Thanks so much for joining me for this how-to. Join us at firemountaingems.com anytime.